This is a spot where I got stuck yesterday. And I was going reverse and forward, put some ash under the front wheels and spinning and tried to make myself out. As you can see, even my Delica got a little bit of splash of mud, and then light came on. Yeah, that was yesterday. Everything's melting today, but ice is under the snow. Oh, now it's water. Yeah, but you can see tons of ice. Very slippery. Even as you can see, I have a little bit of splashing on my minivan after trying to get out of that snow. My ABS and braking lights, they're staying on. Let's confirm the issue. As you can see here, I have a key turn to the on position, brake and ABS is on. Let's start the vehicle, and normally those two should go off in a few seconds. Okay, here we go. Vehicle is on, engine is idling, and as you can see, brake and ABS are staying on. Yeah, that's what's happened. It wasn't on before. I'm going to show you what I did and what was wrong. Okay, key is on, and I have my blue driver OBD scanner connected. Let's check the codes, all modules, and yeah, see what codes we have. Here we go. We have 3 anti-lock brake system codes. Zoom it, please. Rear right wheel sensor signal failure, left rear, and right front. Yeah, 3 sensor signals failures. Yeah, those codes are hard codes, and it means we have no signal or wrong signal from the sensor. Yeah, let's clean the codes and see if they will get back immediately. Okay, yeah, let's clean it. Erase the codes, cleaning, no codes. Okay, let's turn the key off. There we go. We can undo our blue driver. Best tool ever, worth every penny. Okay, let's start the vehicle. Focus, please, and see if those codes will get back. Here we go, and we have oh, and they disappeared. That's it. Yeah, you know what happened? We'll tell you in a second. All right, and main question, why we got those codes. This is a sensor, as you can see, it's 2-wire design, some of them 3, but this is a reluctor type sensor. This sensor generates own AC alternating voltage. Sensor sits in a knuckle, and on the bottom over here we have a reluctor ring, which is pressed on a CV axle. When CV axle turns and teeth are passing the sensor, and that generates the voltage because we have the coil and a magnet inside the sensor. Anyway, and this gap is very precise. Can you imagine here? This is a gap how it sits. And if we have a snow or ice or dirt getting in between, we will have the faulty readings. Yesterday we had -3, was cold. Today we have a +5, everything's dripping and melting. And I tried yesterday to raise those codes and they came back immediately, but I decided to do it today and record a video. And snow and ice melted from the reluctor ring, and we have a proper gap now. Our ABS module is happy and we don't have those codes. But if you still have those codes coming back, I will go and visually inspect the wiring from the sensor to the plug and extending wiring harness. Can be some damage, or if wiring is fine, you might get some rocks getting in between the sensor and the reluctor ring, which can possibly damage the sensor pickup. That's not good, but it can happen. Yeah, when you see brake warning light on your dash is on, it's always concerning. And what I did, I checked for any brake fluid leaks, make sure I'm not losing any brake fluid, then check the brake fluid level. As you can see, it up to the max. I'm not losing any. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Appreciated your time. Take care, subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.